What's going on, everybody? Today we're back with another video. Today we will be installing the J&L oil separator, aka oil catch can. Look, before we even get into the install, this is strictly an installation video for this product. Not going to get into the discussion of, whether it's needed, whether it's not needed, right? Some people swear by oil catch cans. Some people think they're a complete waste of money. So I just encourage you, with any mod to your car, do your own research. Do actual research. There's a lot of forums online, YouTube videos, right? Read what the companies say, but do your research and you make the determination of whether you feel it's necessary or not, right? But this will strictly just be an installation video, not a I'm gonna try to convince you to get this product video. So straightforward install. We're gonna remove the engine cover. We're gonna get the catch can mounted over here, and then we just have to remove some hoses. So stay tuned. Get this removed. You should just be able to pull up gently. Very easy. Get this removed. It's actually the first time I removed that on my car. So, okay. First step, we need to locate our PCV line, and we're gonna slide this clamp back, and then there's another clamp down there. So for the one down here, they recommend using a flathead screwdriver and just pushing the clamp this way, so that you can use whatever needle nose pliers or whatever to grab the clamp and slide it upwards, and then we'll be able to remove this. You're gonna definitely need to use a flathead screwdriver at the bottom of the hose to pry it upwards, because this thing, it's on here tight. So in J&L's instructions, they recommend using a flathead also. So we will do that now. Oh, that came up easy. So next, we're gonna remove this 10mm bolt right here, because that's where our catch can will go, right over here. And they recommend when you use the mounting bracket, it needs to face the same direction, obviously, as the top of the oil catch can, like this. So let's get this installed. Next, I kind of just put the oil separator in there. They did supply 2 little screws, so I'm gonna use some Loctite, and we're gonna basically use those 2 screws to mount the can to the bracket. So we'll knock that out. Next, we're gonna use the supplied J&L clamp, and you're gonna put that on the smaller hose. Which way are we gonna want this? We'll just put it on for now. And then you're going to take this large clamp that was already on the intake manifold, and we're gonna put that one on this bigger part of the hose from the J&L separator. Next, we will route your hoses, and then we're gonna put this smaller hose to the valve cover. Now we need to get this bigger part of the hose put back on. For this one, they recommend using a little bit of oil or grease to get this on, just because it's a tight fit. So just put a little bit in here. We'll get this put on and then we'll get this clamped down. Okay, we got everything installed snug. Definitely, like the instructions say, you will definitely need to put some type of oil or grease in this hose to get it down onto this barb. And then once you have it all the way down, make sure you have that clamp far enough down to where it's also secure on that barb. So this is how I routed it. This is what it looked like, judging from J&L's installation help. So you have your big hose going above this like such, and then your smaller hose is being ran like this. Made sure I got everything snug. I didn't go crazy bolting this one down, just obviously because this thing's like plastic, so I didn't want anything to crack down there. Made sure I used some Loctite with these. Again, I got these nice and snug, not anything too crazy. When it's time to empty this, won't be a big issue to reach back here. And what I love about this kit is I will be able to reinstall my engine cover and keep that on. So yeah, gonna get that engine cover back on and we'll be good to go. And just to be helpful, on the underside of your engine cover, you have these like grommet things. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those basically snug on to these things. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry. Hope this install helped you all. Like I said, not telling you you need this, not telling you you don't need this. Just wanted to help with the installation video. Alrighty, y'all. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe for me. Peace.